What's up guys, Nerd Up Desk here, and today we're going to be looking at the latest mechanical keyboard from TechSmart, the Mercury. Alright, so TechSmart reached out to me to review this new keyboard that they just brought out. It's a full mechanical keyboard for a really good price. Its features include it's a brushed aluminum metal finish with the keys just being standard plastic. They fit standard Cherry keycaps, but they are not Cherry switches, and I'll get more to that in a moment. Anti-ghosting, 104 key rollover. We have 12 multimedia keys. One of the really cool features of this keyboard is full LED RGB on every single key. So that gives you the multitude of backlighting effects that you can reach on this keyboard. So ultimately, you're going to start comparing this thing to, for example, an RGB Razer keyboard like the Black Widow. Now this keyboard out of the box does not have any drivers necessarily needed. It just works as a standard keyboard. All the lighting fixes are changed by key combinations on the keyboard. So this will support anything that will support a keyboard over USB. This keyboard has a really good length for the USB. It's standard USB 2.0 and it has gold-plated connector on the end. Typing on this keyboard is great. The switches are not Cherry, and I think I'm going to butcher the name there, Out-Emu keys. They mimic Cherry MX Blues. They're 95% there in terms of feeling like Cherry MX switches. However, they're a little bit heavier, just slightly in my opinion. It's still fantastic switches. It still works just like as you would expect for a full mechanical keyboard. They're just not brand name Cherry switches, which is fine because this keyboard has a really great price, and I think for what you pay for, that's a great option. Typing on this thing is amazing. My daily driver keyboard is a CM Storm with Cherry MX Browns. I like the browns because they're a little bit quieter. With these, you don't get a choice. They all come with blues. Typing with blues has been completely fine. They are a little bit loud. Not too bad, though. I used this in my office the other day and my coworkers didn't complain, so that's good. The feedback response is great, and I really like these switches, and I really like how this thing types. Typing accuracy is right where you expect, and I would recommend this for gamers and anyone that has to do a lot of typing, like myself. So let's take a look at the lighting functions. All in all, guys, I think this is a great keyboard. The only thing that I can think that might be a downside is that it is not programmable via a program. So you can't really make customizations per LED light on the keyboard. But other than that, it's pretty functional. And I think it's a great keyboard for the price. And I recommend that you go check it out. There's some links for Amazon stuff below. So if you want to check it out, links below. All right, that about wraps it up for me, guys. I'm going to go try playing some TF2 on this keyboard. So I'll see you later.